So today we're in basically the final stage of our green roof install. We got to the stage where we're planting the sedum and the wildflower blanket. So within the next day or two we'll be completely finished. We're putting in a variety of plants. We're doing a sedum blanket which has 13 different varieties of sedum, and a wildflower blanket which has up to 34 different species of wildflower. The ecological benefits of this kind of project increases your bird life, it increases your bees, your pollinators, which is vital, as we all know. It's going to basically replace the habitat that was here before the building was established. It's now being reproduced on top of the roof, so that natural environmental conditions and, you know, the way that nature intended it, the bees can continue to thrive. At present, we've got some of the sedum which are already starting to come into flower. So as we speak, we've already got some bees that have been attracted to it. The wildflower will start blooming in the next 2 to 3 weeks and continue all the way through to autumn.